I went out to record some cave sounds at Canyon Creek Ice Caves. Most of it is me stumbling on rocks. I think I stubbed my toe about 5 times. Threw a stick at one point, thought there'd be a big echo. There wasn't. Kinda lame. Oh well. But there's lots of fun, drippy cave ambience. I don't know how clean most of it is. I think there was a couple of people out exploring in the back that made some noise throughout. But it was really, really cool. I think I want to go back and record some more. Hey, Adam. Bye.